Welcome back to the Scratch tutorial series. In the previous lesson, we created our Scratch account successfully. In today's video, we are going to take our first real step inside Scratch by creating a brand new project and exploring the Scratch interface. If you are a complete beginner, don't worry at all. Scratch is designed to be super simple and everything works with drag and drop blocks. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand where everything is, what each section does, and how to start coding your first animation or game. Alright, let's get started. Once you log into Scratch, you will see the home page. On the top left corner, you will find a button called Create. Click on this button to open a brand new Scratch project. The moment you click it, Scratch automatically loads a blank workspace with the default cat sprite. Your project also auto-saves, but it's always a good habit to click the File Save Now from time to time.